Good morning and welcome to another sunny day here at Costa Adeje, Tenerife. Now, video one, we went that way and down the coast towards Fanambe. Video two, we went this way where we're going now, but then turned left towards Las Americas. Today, we're going to go back to where we started yesterday's video, but turning right and catching out the middle bit, which we haven't done, if that made any sense. I'll try and make sense of it. So we went down the hill here and went left. We've been down the hill there and went right, but we haven't been on this bit yet. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to go down the hill, turn right, and catch this front bit of Promenade, which we haven't caught yet. Oh, I love the hill, me. Absolutely love it. Not. So in the other video, we're coming down from there and we went that way. This video, we're going to go this way. Lovely little cove here. Whoop, whoop, it's the sound of the police. We're noticing something here. Stairs. Lots of stairs. There's got to be a ramp somewhere. There is a ramp. This way. Restaurants and shops. From Miami Vice, we've got a chopper, we've got a water skier. Well, we've made it up the hill from down there, up here. One thing I will say, you come to Tenerife, get used to walking up hills. All these little shops and bars, and look at the view. Wow. What a wonderful viewpoint. Beautiful. That must be the busiest crossing in Tenerife. Anywho, onwards. More shops and restaurants overlooking the sea, and then we've got the marina down here, Puerto Colón. So there you have it, folks. We've covered in the last 3 videos the full sea frontage from the end of Fanambe all the way to Las Americas. But we're going to have a wander down towards the boats and have another look around. So if you want to stick about for some extra footage, then yeah, stick around. Now if you have wheels with you, just walk down this path here, and that'll take you onto the different terraces where the different bars, restaurants and different things like that are. Otherwise there's stairs. Like I say, there is a way for wheels to get down here too. They all seem to be closed at the moment, but it gives you an idea of how to get here. And we've just learned it too. Chinese restaurant. Obviously we're here early, so they're all closed. Ooh, Peking Garden, another Chinese restaurant. Galway Girl Irish Sports Bar. So we're going to head back out, folks, go down to the next level where the boats are. I tell you what though, it's a dodgy bridge if you've got wheels. There's a bit of flex in that, Emma, there's a bit of flex. And there you go, folks, we made it to the bottom. So we're going to have a look along the front and lower level of shops and just see what there is. Lots of excursions and car hire and helicopter rides, etc. that you can reserve. So like I say, you'll see lots of excursions to hire here, and cars to hire, and water sports, etc., which is quite obvious because we're just there. So we've come out the terraces and we're at the beach cove. Like I say, if you want to watch that Tells the Time twice a day, go see him. So I think what we'll do, we'll walk to the end of Puerto Colón Bay have a look at the shops, and then go back to that first bar restaurant where we went to last year because I fancy a cocktail. A bit of fun in the sun. If you like pina colada. Well, if you have a look at all these terraces, there's so many bars and restaurants and little shops. There's hundreds of them. You would have to come here for 2 months just to go and have a look through them all. Now, I've said this in one of my videos before, that lift doesn't work, but if you go into the corners over here and head towards the car park, you can go to the multi-storey car park, get the lift there, and then you come out over here. It's a little bit too busy along there, so we're going to come back here. You want your genuine designer bags? Get them from there. Guaranteed to last a day. I'm just making excuses that that path up there was too busy, because I think I've got a cocktail with my name written on it over here. Bit of a pina colada. So here we go, this is where we're going for a cocktail. We came here last year. It's the Royal Beach Restaurant, Steakhouse and Bar. And there's my friend.
Every year he's coming and find me here.
Every year.
Yeah.
Then it revealed that it was just like sugar.
So there's a cocktail menu, guys, if you want to have a look. I think I'm going to go for a Caribbean cruise, you know. Hey! Cheers, me dears. Oh, yes! Here we go, here's another lucky come. That's lovely.
Good price.
So I think that'll just about do it for today. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.